Alright, welcome back. Last time, like a few days back, I said next video I was gonna make, or I was gonna show how to make the AEP-7 laser pistol from Fallout 3. And here you go, I guess. Once again, I used very simple things. Used a hardback book cover from like an old encyclopedia that I got out of like a dumpster or recycling bin. It's a long story. I used foam, EVA foam. I just used the mats, and like I did my laser rifle, I just used the edges that are supposed to connect around the mat to make it a sort of flat edge, I guess. Yeah, I did that. I used a little bit of electrical tapes, some screws, and a couple nails, and then I painted them. So here it is in all of its, glory. Does that sound too pretentious? But yeah, so what I did, I cut the hardback book cover into this shape right here. I left it open in the middle, and I just slid in another piece, attached all the foam, painted it, added screws, added a few details, scuffed it up here and there with a permanent marker. I have this little thing right here, so if I were to clip it onto like a belt hook or something of the sort, I'll be able to. It does feel nice to hold. It does feel very sturdy, and it feels like it should, at least in my opinion. I use electrical tape for a wire right here. I might go with yellow paint because it's more like that in the game. This is the Fallout 3 version, which uses a completely different type of ammunition from the laser rifle, and is shaped differently. Because like the one in Fallout 4 and by extension Fallout 76, they all use the microfusion cells. If I'm not correct, or if I'm not wrong, it is E cells or something cells. I'm pretty sure, and it would go in right here where I have these screws around this little panel area. But yeah, it's very simple, and yeah, so very simple, very quick to make, and very cheap to make. So I recommend that if you're interested, try it. You can basically do all this for very, very cheap. So see all you dudes later, I guess. Dudes, dudettes, bitches, I don't know. Damn it. Anyways, I'll see ya.